Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is my third in a series of Starlink hardware videos, and this time I'm going to cover security. I used to have this bike alarm zip tied to the dish. I can confirm that it's a viable option, but I found it a nuisance to arm and disarm. Also, when tripped accidentally, it's sure to annoy you and your neighbors. In my previous video, I mentioned having these stickers made, so I slapped one onto the dish. The beauty is that the warning's true, but I wanted at least one more security measure in place. Now, I realize that if someone wants to steal our dish, they're gonna steal the dish. I just hope to make them think twice. I found this clamp kit on Amazon to fit around the dish's neck. The clamp also has a thread that can fit a 3/8 inch lock. To install the clamp, first wrap the provided 3M sticky tape around the neck. Then, using the smallest rubber inserts, place the clamp on. Having two people do this would certainly be easier. They also provide a small hex key for the screws, but you'll have an easier time with a larger one. Once the clamp has been secured, I can confirm that it's not going to budge without a serious effort. Now I can thread the Python lock through and secure the dish to something stable. This definitely makes me feel better about leaving the dish out. As always, thanks for watching.